subscribe to Android Discovery Channel, and press the bell icon to watch the interesting and exciting technology video first. Smartwatches are fast becoming a daily driver for a lot of persons. As the popularity grows, so does the number of new features you'll find on them. US watchmaker Garmin has added a new smartwatch to its lineup stuffed with some unique features you won't find on many of the smartwatches around. The watch, dubbed Garmin Enduro, is aimed not only to endure most extreme of weather conditions but also the most rigorous usage, with an extended battery life stretching up to 65 days. The Garmin Enduro Smartwatch is described as a new ultra-performance GPS watch. It packs a 1.4-inch LED display that is said to be optimized for use under sunlight with a resolution of 280 by 280 pixels. The watch is said to come with solar charging feature. The battery capacity wasn't revealed, but despite the long usage time touted, the watch still is a lightweight device, weighing just 72 grams for the steel variant and 58 grams for the titanium model. There are several modes and the 65 days usage is possible in smartwatch mode, and it is used with solar. On the battery saving mode, the watch is said to last up to 1 year with solar charging. The watch comes with GPS and all the top features you'll find on a regular smartwatch. Features like continuous heart rate monitoring, advanced sleep tracking, blood oxygen saturation level, and several other sensors and tools tailored towards enhancing health and well-being of the user. The watch can be paired with a smartphone and is compatible with Android and iOS. The Garmin Enduro Smartwatch surprising comes with a staggering price tag of $799.99 for the steel model. If you'd like to go for the titanium variant, that one will set you apart $899.99. The wearable device is already on sale on Garmin's website. Guys, I hope you liked my video. If you really liked this video, please subscribe to the channel and like and share the video. Thank you.